How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with an all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. Where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Austin. I am back again with an all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and yes, I am back with a model by the name of the Austin. This, if you're subscribed like you should be, is an OG floor plan that we had in the past, and we brought it back years later and in a great way. This Austin is for everyone who is wanting a non-lofted 399 square foot park model tiny home, and you want it to stand out from the rest. Because this home, as it sits today, is coming in at 11 foot wide. It will be 48 foot long, and that's including the 8-foot front porch and the 6-foot rear porch. And it's on sale today for $111K, $111,000. You'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And starting here on the outside, this is what makes the Austin so unique, is the curb appeal, as it has a lower roof line there at the front, a higher roof line in the center, and it drops back down as it gets to the rear. This is an amazing home, and not only does it have a raised roof line in the center, it is also a shed style roof that has a lower angle to it, and you'll see just that once we get on the inside, but it looks incredible from the exterior from all angles. We went ahead with a lapped siding and a 30-year warranty in the snowy mount color. The trim is going to be the red wood stained cedar, and then an additional cedar pops there on your bump outs of the home to, of course, match your post and your railing on the porches. You'll see that we have a copper metal roof to pop it off as well, and black windows to tie it all together. So the exterior is tons of flavor and tons of color for you to love. If the elevation wasn't enough, that's what's going to take it over the top. Speaking of over the top, let's go ahead and take it up top to the 8-foot front porch. And you'll see as soon as we come up on this porch, you're going to have tons of space for you to accommodate friends and family out here with exterior furniture. You're going to have on the interior porch cedar beams. You see those hanging off there, those decorative beams? That is a first that we haven't done on the outside of the porch ceiling in quite some time. Also, you'll see right here on the front wall, windows on each side, the center door here that we have a little splash of color there, and then the transom up top. Again, checking all the boxes for those of you that want one-of-a-kind curb appeal. But you think the outside is one thing. You ain't seen anything yet. Go ahead and follow Mr. Tiny inside the Austin. And now we're on the interior of the Austin, and this is where things get really interesting, because as soon as you enter this lovely home, you'll see the floor plan is perfect for those of you that are looking for a primary residence that you want with tons of natural light, the taller ceilings, and just those one-of-a-kind things that you don't see in many tiny homes. And starting here in the living area, you'll see that you have windows on each side of your entertainment area. Right here, you're going to have your entertainment center, including the LED fireplace that does put off heat. Up above that, you'll see we have the Carrera countertop, as well as the accent right here, a tiled accent in a beautiful color complementing the trim going around the entire home. So you can place your TV here while still having an elegant sight to look at. Also, as we take it up, you'll see that you have 2 clear story windows. Look at those exposed beams right there going from one side all the way to the other. Again, tons of space here. In the living area, you have the entertainment wall, but across from that, you're going to have your sofa wall, and you'll see a full-size couch in here. Takes up this entire space, so you could do that, or you could do something smaller to get multiple seating arrangements. Large window right there. This is a sliding glass, so you can ventilate this area, also get a nice airflow, clear stories up top, and then of course we have the black Duffy ceiling fan centered. What do you love about tiny homes? In my opinion, one of the things that I love when it's done right is an open concept to make it feel much larger than the square footage that it is. And this Austin is definitely doing that. So we lead directly from the living area into the kitchen, and you'll see an island here that is on wheels, very convenient because you have space to sit as well as a space for you to prep as well. And notice while we're in here, look at those plank floors going throughout this entire home. I think that really contrasts and compares to the colors that we have in this home and really tie everything together. The white cabinets with the black bar pools look great in this home. The stainless farm sink is going to be there centered. You have your black faucet there, and also look at this limited run tile that we have going around. That is tying everything together. In this particular home, we wanted to go more of a Spanish style aesthetic, so I think that we're checking that box with it, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it thus far. Another sliding window there up above your sink, and again, more clear stories. Wrapping around with the white cabinetry, you will have your air fryer / microwave here up above your cooktop, a smooth top cooktop. That way you're able to have additional drawers down below. Ton of you have been saying, Mr. Tiny, what about if I don't want a full stove? What if I don't want a full oven? Here's your cooktop option. Mr. Tiny has that as well. So we have that here for you. For those of you that would rather just throw it in the air fryer, cook everything like that anyways, you can do many things that you could do in the traditional oven right here up above. Also, the top of the areas here up above the counter and the cabinets is going to be a middle space that goes above your bathroom. That is finished out on top, so you have additional storage space. And I want to mention that bathroom because I feel like that's my favorite area in this particular home, but we'll get there in just a moment. Right here, you'll see that you have a space for a full-size side-by-side refrigerator. You have additional storage up above, and then we'll take it down. Remember, we have the front porch there, but we also have a side entry here. So you have 3 access points into the Austin: the front, the rear, and the side. That's amazing, and I could see one of my clients making it happen where once it's on site, you wrap the whole thing together. So that would make an all-around indoor-outdoor concept. Also, right here, you have a stackable wash machine and dryer area that is going to be conveniently located there. Speaking of keeping some things clean like your clothes, let's keep you clean. Let's take it right in to the bathroom of the Austin, and you'll see as soon as you come in, this is definitely one for the books. We have your sink right here with the sink as well as the cabinetry down below for you to have some additional storage. But look at this shower. We've done the half wall with splash glass before, but this time we have the half wall with splash glass wrapping around. The full wraparound shower, so you have tons of space here. Splash glass up above, and I'll go ahead and step in, and you'll see the built-in niches right here on the wall. And keep in mind, you have all of this space here. We continued with that limited run tile, but also let's notice something. Did you notice? We went ahead and tiled this entire wall here in the bathroom. So a full tile accent in your bathroom of the Austin. I think that turned out amazing. I hope we're going to do more of that in the future. I feel like I want to anyways. So we'll see how that goes. Again, with no loft, you have tons of head space there for you to accommodate. Again, you know what my height is. If you don't, somebody put it in the comments so you can let the people know how much height they have in their bathroom. A tall vertical window here, additional linen up above your toilet, and you'll see here soft close cabinetry. Additional linen right there for your towels and everything. But again, I told you the top of the ceiling's finished out in the bathroom, so you have that additional storage space up above. But again, bathroom's one thing, but you bought the thing. You bought this tiny home. So let's show you where you're going to be residing right here in your primary suite. where you're going to have enough space in here, in my opinion, to easily accommodate a queen size bed would work perfectly. That way you have walkability on each side. You have tons of natural light with the double clear story windows. You have a large slider here, and you have the continuation of the beams there on your ceiling with a black Duffy ceiling fan. Your closet is going to be over here to the side, and you'll see we continued with the stained wood shelf and rod. Tons of space here with the single closet, so that is a great area there. Also, you're going to have tons of space for you to place your bed here, and then the opposite wall, we left this center space open for you to be able to put your TV here and have the natural light and views on each side of the TV. Great option in my opinion. Speaking of views, let's show you some. Right here off of your rear porch. And again, this is a 6-foot rear porch off of the Austin, and you'll see right here, we added a cedar accent wall here on the rear porch. Tons of pop, tons of character that complement these cedar beams up top. And then with 6 foot of space, this is a place where you can just lounge, kick back. This is where you can put a couple chairs and enjoy this rear access. This can be your private little sanctuary here on the Austin. So you can have guests and everything chilling on the front porch, and you sneak off to the rear porch just to relax and calm down. So with that said, we'll take it back through, and let's get a great view of this home by the name of the Austin right here, where we're going to have, look how it just opens up here. As soon as you walk back in, you have tons of space. And again, it is an open concept that as soon as you come out of your primary suite, it just feels, I promise you, this feels closer to 600 square feet, way larger than the 399 square feet that it truly is. When it comes back out to the main living area, you can see that this is one that I think many of you are going to enjoy. I love the way the floor plan is laid out. I also love the Spanish style aesthetics that we went with in this home. I feel like it paired together perfectly and made some tiny home magic. If you agree, what I need you to do right now is hit that thumbs up button. While doing that, I'm going to explain to you one more time. This home is 11 foot wide. It is 48 foot long, and that's going to include the 8-foot front porch and that 6-foot rear porch. And it's on sale today for $111K, $111,000. You'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. And also, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Hit subscribe if you want to be part of the family. I'm always accepting new brothers and sisters, so please hit that subscribe button and you can help us get to 300K. That's the goal, so please help us get there. And also leave a comment. Let me know if you enjoyed this Austin floor plan. If you're an OG subscriber, you remember it from the past, but that was many years ago. You know, everything, you got to bring it back every now and then and remind those what we do here at Recreational Resort Cottages. So I hope that you enjoyed that. Leave a comment and let me know what you enjoyed about the Austin. And if you're interested in purchasing this very home or any home I've showcased, you can reach out to me directly on TikTok or Instagram at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Austin as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my TikTok or Instagram. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.